We gather in a year marked by a historic reckoning, Judge Khatebe's declaration that the death of Chief Albert Luthuli, Nobel Peace Prize laureate and moral compass for our liberation struggle, was not an accident but murder. This ruling does more than correct the record. It reclaims the truth, restores dignity, and reminds us that justice, though delayed, may never be denied.
We hope that this moment offers a measure of closure after decades of uncertainty. While the judgment has sparked important national conversations, it is equally vital that we remain attentive to Chief Luthuli's ideas, his unwavering commitment to justice, dignity, and peaceful resistance. His life stands as a powerful reminder that moral courage and thoughtful leadership are essential, particularly in times of profound challenge.
As ANC leader in 1959, he called on international consumers, particularly in the United Kingdom, to boycott goods from apartheid South Africa. Such boycotts ultimately grew into the comprehensive economic and financial sanctions that helped push the increasingly isolated apartheid regime, to release Madiba Nelson Mandela and pursue democratic reform. So Chief Luthuli actually saw how you could use commerce and trade also to be able to achieve a very important objective.